Welcome back to the Natural Health and Life channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. Cardio or weightlifting for weight loss? People who want to lose weight find themselves with a tricky question. Which is the better option, cardio or lifting weights? They are the two most well-known workouts, but it is difficult to determine which is the better option for you. This video will tell you what you need to know if you're better off with cardio or weightlifting. Cardio burns more calories. Many scientists and health professionals have researched that during various activities, people can burn certain amounts of calories. You can therefore determine the calories that you burn depending on your body weight and exercise. This includes cardio and weight training. As a general rule, the more you weigh, the more calories you should burn. You will burn more calories per cardio session than weight training with the same amount of effort. Weight training will help you burn more calories daily. Weight training does not usually burn as much calories as a cardio workout, but it has other benefits that are important as well. An example is that weight training is effective in building muscle than a cardio workout. And muscles burn more calories than other tissues, including fat. It is said that building muscle is the key to jump-starting your metabolism, so that you can burn calories even at rest. A study of participants during 24 weeks of weight training says that in men, it led to a 9% increase in metabolism, while in women, it was an increase of almost 4%. So this means that weight training and building muscle won't make your metabolism skyrocket, but it will increase it in small amounts. Research has also shown that you burn calories even after your workout session, compared to a cardio workout. There are even reports of elevated metabolism even up to 38 hours after working out. So how much should you exercise? Research shows that people tend to lose more body weight when they have higher levels of physical activity. Research states that less than 150 minutes per week of moderate to high physical activity like cardio will not be enough for weight loss. However, it also says that more than 150 minutes per week of cardio is enough to help produce weight loss in most people. Additionally, it is proven that you lose more body weight if you have higher levels of physical activity. In conclusion, both a cardio workout and weight training help you become more fit. A cardio workout will burn more calories than weight training. But weight training will burn calories even after your workout, and is better at building muscle. Therefore, a combination of both would be the ideal exercise program that's best for everyone. How is your workout going? Let us know what you think in the comment box below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you on our next video.